Boop! Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Angry Duck Automotive. This video, we're going to be painting some of the lettering back on the grille on the Chevy truck. So probably be a short video, but thought we'd film it anyway. So yeah, stay tuned. As you can see, the lettering on the grille is kind of a bit muggy and a bit bad. So we're going to paint that back in again. And then there's a few bits around the headlights that are supposed to be black that aren't anymore. So we may touch them in as well. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So basically what we've got here is generic paint from Rights of Limb, their own brand sign writing paint, and mix it with a little bit of white spirit, a small brush, and we're just going to pick the letters out and see how we get on. Have you? All right. Yeah.
How many feet would you say that was? 15 foot?
What? From here?
Yeah. Maybe not 10 foot? Yeah, 10 foot. There's a good 10 footer on it.
It's a 10 footer, is a 2020 truck. 20 yards at 20 mile an hour. That's good, isn't it? Yeah, I think the middle bit's supposed to be black around the letters because it's like black rubbed off all through there. Okay, so we've mixed up a little bit of sign writers black with a little bit of white spirit, and we're going to do these around rims around ears.
Do you think the blue pinstriping above the lettering now should be black?
Yeah, I reckon.
I do too.
Because you can continue it out to there then.
Yeah.
Peel off a little.
Yeah. Yeah, it's only what's it called? Pinstriping tape, I think. Yeah. Go black?
Yeah. Well, black or blue, whatever, up to you. Look better black, I reckon.
I think.
It's supposed to be black.
Yeah.
You put the pinstriping in there.
Yeah.
There we go, guys. That's tidied it up a bit, innit? Picked up some of the black as well, sort of around the headlights. I think the middle bar where the Chevy lettering is supposed to be black, but Father wants to leave it silver. But that's not too bad for a country job, is it? So there we go, guys. That's that little job done. I think I would have preferred to paint the middle of the lettering section of the grille black as well. But it has tidied it up a lot. It looks a little bit smarter. So I'm happy with that. He's happy with that. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching this little video. Usual, you know, videos go out Tuesday night, 8 p.m. on the UK time on the channel, and you can catch us there with the premiere. You obviously get the live chat and all that kind of stuff. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, yeah, would you consider hitting that subscribe button? I'll be much appreciated. We're getting up towards the first milestone now, so any subscriptions that are going to be very, very welcome at the moment. So yeah, take care, guys. If you can't be good, be careful. Much love. Peace out.